In a surprising twist, DJI, the renowned Chinese company that has long been synonymous with innovative drones and cutting-edge camera stabilizers, appears to be steering its focus towards a new frontier. Rumors are circulating that the company is secretly working on a high-end e-bike, signaling a departure from its iconic drones and gimbals. The project, known internally as EB, has sent shockwaves through the tech industry, leaving enthusiasts and experts intrigued by this unexpected venture. Inside sources suggest that DJI has embarked on a clandestine journey to develop an e-bike that goes beyond conventional two-wheelers. While the company has maintained a veil of secrecy around this project, fragments of information have surfaced, painting a picture of innovation and ambition. Key to this venture is Alex Gio, a senior engineer who previously spearheaded DJI's Ruying backpack stabilizer, indicating that the company is leveraging its expertise in stabilization technology to redefine the e-bike experience. Reports indicate that the genesis of this project traces back to 2020, hinting at DJI's well-planned approach to entering the electric bicycle market. The upcoming e-bike is not just another addition to the market. Rather, it's positioned as a high-end model developed to cater to a diverse range of purposes. Notably, this includes sports and off-roading, a departure from the urban-focused e-bikes that have dominated the market. DJI's reputation for pushing technological boundaries has fueled anticipation about what this e-bike might offer. It's expected that the company's expertise in stabilization, wireless communication, and precision engineering will be leveraged to create a product that stands out in the evolving e-bike landscape. The fusion of DJI's proficiency in developing cutting-edge technology and their willingness to embrace a new challenge has piqued the curiosity of both loyal fans and skeptical observers. While DJI's e-bike endeavor remains largely shrouded in mystery, there's a strong indication that the company is taking a global approach. Reports from reputable sources suggest that the e-bike will be a self-developed creation from DJI and will find its way into overseas markets, including regions like the United States and Europe. This move could potentially mark DJI's expansion into a new product category, while capitalizing on its established reputation for quality and innovation. As the e-bike project remains in its confidential stages, the tech community is eagerly awaiting official announcements or leaks that shed more light on DJI's bold new venture. The company's decision to explore the e-bike realm speaks volumes about its willingness to adapt, evolve, and redefine itself in a rapidly changing market. For now, all eyes are on DJI as it prepares to reveal its journey from the sky to the streets. E-bikes have gained significant traction in recent years, emerging as a sustainable and efficient mode of transportation. European cities, in particular, have embraced e-bikes as a solution to urban congestion and environmental concerns. The cycling culture, combined with favorable infrastructure and eco-consciousness, has transformed Europe into a hotbed for e-bike adoption. Given this context, DJI's potential entry into the e-bike realm seems not only timely but also strategic. The high-end positioning attributed to DJI's e-bike project could indicate a calculated effort to distinguish itself within an already competitive market. While traditional e-bikes typically fall within the range of $1,000, DJI's rumored price range of $3,000 to $4,000 signifies a premium offering. This aligns with DJI's reputation for delivering high-quality, cutting-edge technology, and it's plausible that they are aiming to redefine the e-bike experience by incorporating their technological expertise. I hope this video was useful for you. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.